Good day everyone, I am Nurkan Ali from BS Ed English 3A and I am here today to answer several questions for our interview simulation. So let's start. So the first question is, what are your long-term ambition? So my long-term ambition is to become a professional teacher who teach meaningful and inclusively. So it's not only teaching them for basic grammar skills, basic professional speaking skills, but also to make the classroom inclusive. By making the classroom inclusive, the students might felt being involved, and by being involved, they will feel the love of education. So the next question is, why did you choose this profession? So I have chosen this profession not because of peer pressuring, not because of the family line that I need to follow. It's because English nowadays is evidently for globalization. 21st century teaches us that English is the bridge a lot of opportunity by overseas workers, by technological advancements, by the by the profession, or by the a lot of ever changing works that we need to learn. So next is, what subjects did you enjoy most and which did you enjoy less? So the subject that I enjoy more is the ELT, or the English language teaching. So not because English is my major, it's because the teacher that who teach the subject. Because if the teacher is teaching with love, or making the classroom meaningful, so that student might felt that the subject is worth loving for. So the teacher that I embody is teaching ELT. So I love ELT for me. And the next is, what subject did I enjoy less? I might say that there are no subjects that I despise, because I love all the subjects that was being teach teach to us. Not unless the teacher is passive, or the teacher is not willing to teach to the students, because some of the teacher is not going to meet us, not going to teach actively, but just to give us tasks and left without a word. So the next question is, how did you finance your education? So I finance my education only not solely because of my because of my power, but also it is by my family and adjusted by me. So the finance is very hard, but we might I we need to adapt. So the next question is, what were some of your greatest achievements in college? So I might say that I will say that the greatest achievements is passing the exam, of entrance exam, I dare say. And the next is the collaboratively skills that I learned within the college. Because of these skills, there are many opportunities that I have learned and that I have kept within me. So by this, a lot of opportunity, we should not slip it out of our hands, but to grab it within our life and the love to grasp things. Okay, that's all.